So let's do it like this. Okay. So in this video, guys, I'm going to unpack my screen protector that I bought from John Lee's for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's open this one. And see, Panzer glass. This is ultra wide fit clear tempered glass. So scratch resistant drop protection. Okay, and this one is the clear case for change. Yes, a clear case for iPhone 17 Pro MagSafe ring, include fully circular. So I bought this one from Jen Lewis as well. So let's open. Wow. So here, this is only simple clear case. I choose the clear case for the clear case, and it is like a plastic. And this one, so how to put this one is, I think I can put this one in the, this is a MagSafe. I don't know how to do it. I think I can put in here. Yeah, I know. Okay. Removable MagSafe ring. So is this one from John Lewis. Scan for offer. Okay. So now let's open this one, the screen protector tempered glass. Have to open this one. Oh, it's included in here. Ashay kuan, ashay dalang kuan. What happened? So and I bought also for the camera protection. I bought from Amazon. How to open this one? Oh my god. Okay, I see. So this one, cleaning set. This included for cleaning set. And here, what happened? Okay. Oh, what's this? Which one? Oh, this one is included. This one. So, okay, because there's a stick inside, that's why. Sticky inside. Glancer glass, the brand. So no more, it's empty. So now let's do it. Let's put in here. Just need to put in here first. I put my iPhone here. Just make it sure it's not damaged. So let's open this cleaning set first. I'll show you how to do it. I'm not perfect in doing this one, but I'll try my best. So this is wet wipe, and this is the dust removable sticker. So let's do the dust removable sticker first. Separate this one in here. Use the dust removable sticker to pick up any particles. Okay, so how to do it? Let's open this one. It's open. I can't open it. I don't know how to open. It's here. Yeah, okay. Can you see it, guys? And this one. Yeah. That, I'm doing like that. First, I need to turn off the phone. Turn off, power off. Let's see, guys, power off. So power off, just hold this one and this one, power off. Slide to power off. So let's power off this one. iPhone remains findable after power off. Okay, so just power off. So let's do the cleaning thing. So make it sure your iPhone 7 Pro Max, you can put the for protection, because this is fragile phone. This is fragile, and you can pick up some dust. I don't need to put in the back, only in the front, like that. Okay, and then wipe it with the wet wipes. This is the wet wipes is included. Wet wipes. This is clean your screen using the alcohol-free wet wipes by Panzer Glass. So is here ito ni siyang ikuan dere. Oh my god, this one. Okay, just the front maybe. I'm scared in the back because maybe the color will fade, so just the back. Okay, and then wipe this one with a dry cloth provided. This one like that. And then let's start. We'll wipe the back side first. Make it sure it's clear. Itong ikuan, i-wipe natin para masyado siyang clean before putting the tempered glass. It's okay now, so let's start the tempered glass. So let's move this one here. Must be careful, and this one. Okay, now let's do it. Make it sure it's nothing. It's more. Okay, how to do it? Okay, let's. Okay. Oops. Oh, this one. Guys. It has a black side. Which side? There's a black side. Okay. And then let's do it. Where is the? Make it sure it's in the edge side. Just a second, guys. So here, I think this is the. Make it sure it's completely okay. Okay. Make it sure in. Okay, I think it's fine now. Oh my god. This wait. Get mistake. Oh my god. Wait. Mistake, you must move in this one. Oh my god, mistake. Mistake. Let's do it. Let's do it properly. Turn around. Okay, make it sure it's. Okay. Oh, now it's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Oh my god, I'm scared. Can you see it? The bubbles is absorbing. Look at the bubbles. It's here. Still there's a bubbles in here. Oh my god, it's not properly. Okay. Oh my god. Make it sure it's properly. Hopefully the bubbles will come up. So now it's all done, guys. All done. Just look, the tempered glass is already in here. So let's do the casing. So it's okay now. Tempered glass is here. So it's already, the protection is here. I hope everything's fine. So it's a little bit bubbles is here, but it's not much. Just press this one. So let's do the glass. Oh my god. clear. So let's put in here this 100% circular. Okay, I do it like this. Okay, oh, no, just do it like that. Anyway, I don't do that one because I don't use MagSafe charging. So let's do it like that. First I have my, no, not yet, I have my camera protection glass. So this is tempered glass for the camera. So I just put camera protection. So this is nice. Professional screen protector for the camera. So I bought this one from Amazon. So let's open. How to open this one? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's open it. Just so. So it's still the same, still dust absorbing. So let's do it like that. And then dust absorbing, they have still dust absorbing, but I'm not using this one right now because it's always, this is the camera lens protector. It's also tempered glass. So like this, how to open this one like that. Okay, this looks like this. Okay, and then it's sticky here, and then okay, so let's wipe this one first. Okay, hopefully everything is fine. So let's do it like this. Okay, hopefully everything okay. Nice. It's easy to remove this one. This is better just a camera protection because who knows. Let's see the later, let's say later, if it's not affecting the camera. So let's do the clear case. Anyway, it's included this one, the MagSafe charging. This MagSafe ring can be used forever. So I'm not using this one right now because I'm not using the MagSafe charging. I'm using only my normal charger. So let's do it like this. Okay, for protection, because this is fragile phone. Okay, oh my god, maybe I cannot do it because of the, okay, it's here. Wow, it's already done. So let's check the camera, or maybe it's not affecting my, let's check, because I'm using I use the screen camera protector tempered glass. Let's check. So let's check in the camera. So this is the back and the front. Okay, it's fine, it's still the same. So let's check outside if it's not affecting the camera. So let's check. So this is the camera in the back. It's fine, it's not affecting because this is window. Yes, not affecting, it's fine. So that's it. So this is only landscape is in the front, but if you're doing, this is video landscape, but if you're doing the back, it's no more landscape option. It's only in the front. It's only in the front. And in the photo, let's do it the photo. Nothing in the back for landscape, just only for the front, the landscape. Look at, just like that. So always landscape.